Yo, what's going on YouTube? It's the Braap man back again with a MOSTPLUS LED headlight system. I'm gonna unbox these. These are 9007 bulbs. I don't know if you guys had these before. If anyone had these, let me know how you like them. My friend just bought a pair of LEDs. I don't know. I think he got them from Amazon, but they're flickering. So he's having some issues with them. And it is made in China. So let's unbox these. Take a look. I know they sell different types of LEDs, different types of bulbs, or they're just single-sided ones. This has the four-sided LEDs on each side. So I guess these give out more light. I don't know. It's got a cooling fan on there. Heat sink. I think that's it's aluminum. Heat sink. I don't know how these will work out, but most of these LEDs aren't all that great. That's why I always stick with the stock bulbs, the halogen ones, because I don't know, sometimes people have problems with these. I guess you get what you pay for. Get something more expensive, I guess it'll last better and perform better, but figured I'd try these out with new headlights. I bought new headlight housings. For my Dodge Ram. I had to get a new truck because my other truck took a crap on me and blew up. Or it didn't blow up, but spun a bearing. I mean, it's fixable, but I don't feel like fixing it. So I got these headlights here. These Dodge Ram headlights with the black housing. So these are pretty nice. I figured these would look better than the stock headlights. These are clear with the black housing, with the clear marker light, whatever you want to call it, marker light. So it's clear instead of amber. I don't know, I figured throw some LEDs in there, but I know I'm going to end up getting Rigid Industries D series Midnight Edition fog lights. I had them before. They were serious. They were nice and bright, you know. So I think I'm gonna get the Rigid Industries fog lights, put them in there, and so yeah, I want to hook these up later. I'll let you know how they work out. Stay tuned for more videos, and I'm going to be getting one of these bikes out soon to ride. I think I'm going to take the YZ250 out. I haven't took her out in a while. Just sitting here all, look at that, getting dusty. I don't even ride this thing. It's got dust all over it. Just sitting here saying, ride me, take me for a ride. And I got the brand new seat cover for the KDX. Got a new seat cover, OEM seat cover for that. So hopefully I get that on soon. Hopefully, and we're gonna be doing some modifications to the new truck, and nothing serious, just small things. And we're gonna be back with some more motorcycle videos, dirt bike vids. Stay tuned. And you know, took me a little while, but it's been hot past couple days. It was like 99, not 99, I would say like 95 degrees, 93 degrees. It was really hot, so I couldn't make any videos when it's that hot. It's just too hot. I'm good. So just way too hot to do anything. So stay tuned, like, subscribe, and I'll be back soon. It's the Braap man signing off. See you.